Hello students, welcome to Siddhapur Mathematics Academy. So already I gave the expected questions and total mark in the chapter inverse trigonometry and matrices. Now in the today's class I will give the total marks and the expected questions in the annual paper, and I will give the guarantee if you solve these questions you will get out of out. See here, this means all the chapters, not only these 3 chapters. See, total marks is 8 marks. In part A, it comes at question number 4 for 1 mark. In part B, question number 13 for 2 marks, fixed questions. At that question only you will get the questions from determinant. And part D, question number 41, that is for 5 marks. These are the weightage of the marks from the chapter determinants in your annual paper. Total marks is 8 marks and the expected questions in this chapter. First I will give 1 mark questions. 1 mark questions. In part A, that is at question number 4. See the first one. Find the values of x for which x to 18 x is equal to 6 to 18 6. Usually what the students they are doing, they are comparing the values. No, in the determinant we are not comparing. Wherever necessary I will explain the solutions, otherwise I will, in the determinant chapter videos I gave each and every explanation. See, you cannot compare and you cannot write the value. Why? In the determinant you have to solve. When you solve this determinant, I am giving you the solution and you are familiar with how to solve the determinant. You will get x square minus 36 is equal to 0, x square is equal to 36, x is equal to plus or minus 6. This is a method to find the value of x in the determinants. Yes, moving to the next question. Question number 2. If A is a square matrix, and adjoint A is given as 5 0 0 5, then find determinant of A. Here also I am giving you a solution. See, if A is a square matrix of order n, then we have a determinant of adjoint A is equal to determinant of A raised to n minus 1. What it is? If A is a square matrix of order n. This is the result. That means what we have to calculate, we want a determinant of A means first we have to find the determinant of given adjoint A. The determinant of given adjoint A. And you know how to solve this. This is 25 minus 0, that is 25. And A is a square matrix of order n, of order 2. Therefore, determinant of adjoint A is equal to determinant of A raised to n minus 1. Determinant of adjoint A is 25. This is 2 minus 1. See, what is that? Is determinant of A is 25. See, as I told you, wherever it is necessary, I am giving you the solution. Otherwise, I will give the questions because already we solved in the previous classes. Third question. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, then find determinant of 2A. Each term is multiplied with 2, then you have to find the determinant. Already we explained discussed in the previous class. Next question. Find the values of x. Find the values of x for which 3x x1 is equal to 3 2 4 1. Moving to the next question, that is the fifth one. If A is equal to 1 2 4 2, then find determinant of 2e. See, same questions. No, that's why I am telling, if you practice these questions you will get out of out. Next, sixth one. If A is equal to 1 0 1 0 1 2 0 0 4, then find determinant of 3a. Next, seventh one. Find the values of x for which 2 3 4 5 is equal to x3 2x5. Next question. Question number 8. If A is a square matrix with determinant of A is equal to 8, then find the value of determinant of A into A transpose. Here I am giving you a solution. See, determinant of A is equal to 8 implies determinant of its transpose is also 8. And we have determinant of A into A transpose is equal to determinant of A into determinant of A transpose. 8 into 8, that is 64. Yes. Moving to the next question, that is question number 9. All these are for 1 mark. Find the values of x for which 3x x1 is equal to 3 2 4 1. And moving to the next question. Moving to the next question, that is the 10th one. Write the value of the determinant. Write the value of the determinant. This is P, P plus 1, P minus 1, P. Now we are moving towards a 2 mark question, expected questions in the annual paper, 2 marks question. That is at question number 13 in part B. In part B it is. At question number 13, first question. Find the equation of the line passing through 1, 2 and 3, 6 using determinants. 2 mark question. Same, second question. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are -2, -3, 3, -2, 3, 2 and -1, -8 using determinants. Next, third one. Same, find the area of the triangle. See, one question, that means you understood one question comes. So I am giving you the questions, giving you the vertices. First one A, 3, 8, -4, 2 and 5, 1. This is one question. B is the second question. Just for your practice, I am giving you different vertices. And C is 1, 0, 6, 0 and 4, 3. Next, fourth question. If the area of the triangle with vertices (2, -6, 5, 4, k, 4 is 35 square units, then find the value of k using determinants. Next question, same, in the same category. Find the value of k if the area of the triangle is 4 square units and vertices are k, 0, 4, 0 and 0, 2. Next, sixth one. Same, find the value of k. Find the value of k if the area of the triangle is 4 square units and vertices are -2, 0, 0, 4 and 0, k. Next question, question number 7, that is find the equation of the line find the equation of the line passing through (3, 1 and 9, 3) using determinants. These are the questions, expected questions in part B for question number 13. Now there is no 3 mark question in the determinant, but we have in part D we have one question for question number 41 for 5 marks. 5 mark in question number 41 in part D. Only one question, that is fixed question matrix method. The same question, but I will give for our practice, I will give 4 questions here. solve by matrix method, or they can ask solve the following system of equations by matrix method. 4x plus 3y plus 2z is equal to 60. 2x plus 4y plus 6z is equal to 90. 6x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 70. Second question. As I told you, one question it is a fixed question, but for your practice I am giving you different equations in the same method. 2x plus 3y plus 3z is equal to 5. X minus 2y plus z is equal to minus 4. 3x minus y minus 2z is equal to 3. Third question. Same, solve by matrix method. It is x minus y plus z is equal to 4. 2x plus y minus 3z is equal to 0. X plus y plus z is equal to 2. Fourth one. Same question. Solve by matrix method. There will no different question at question number 41. This fixed question of matrix method. X minus y plus 2z is equal to 7. 3x plus 4y minus 5z is equal to minus 5. 2x minus y plus 3z is equal to 12. See, these are the expected questions in the chapter determinant. If you solve matrix and determinant, both the chapters, it covers 21 marks in your annual paper.